अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। सूरतुल अनआम मक्किया, आया 121 to 125। इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। With the name of Allah, the All Merciful, the Very Merciful. वला ताकुलू मिम्मा लम युज़कर इस्मुल्लाहि अलैहि व इन्नहु लफ़िस्क व इन्नश्शयातीन लयूहूना इला औलियाइहिम लियुजादिलूकुम व इन अतातुमूहुम इन्नकुम लमुश्रिकून। Do not eat that meat over which the name of Allah has not been pronounced. This is surely a sin. The Satans inspires their friends to dispute with you. If you were to obey them, you would be mushriks. अवमन कान मैतन फ़अह्यैनाहु वजअल्ना लहु नूरन यमशी बिही फिन्नासि कमन मसलुहु फ़िज़्ज़ुलुमातिन लैसा बिखारिजिन मिन्हा कज़ालिक ज़ुय्यिन लिल्काफ़िरीन मा कानू यअमलून। Is it conceivable that the one who was dead and to whom we gave life and set for him a light with which he walks among men is held to be like the one whose condition is such that he is in total darkness, never coming out of it? This is how their deeds appear beautified to the disbelievers. وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَا فِي كُلِّ قَرْيَةٍ أَكَابِرَ مُجْرِمِيهَا لِيَمْكُرُوا فِيهَا وَمَا يَمْكُرُونَ إِلَّا بِأَنفُسِهِمْ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ. In a similar way, in every town, we used its chief sinners to commit mischief in it, and they do not commit mischief but against themselves, while they do not realize. وَإِذَا جَاءَتْهُمْ آيَةٌ قَالُوا لَن نُّؤْمِنَ حَتَّى نُؤْتَ مِثْلَ مَا أُوتِيَ رُسُولُ اللَّهِ اللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ حَيْثُ يَجْعَلُ رِسَالَتَهُ سيصيب الذين أجرموا صغار عند الله وعذاب شديد بما كانوا يمكرون. When a sign comes to them, they say, "We shall never come to believe unless we are given the like of what was given to the messengers of Allah." Allah knows best where to place His message. Those who committed sin shall soon suffer from disgrace before Allah and face severe punishment for the mischief they have been making. فَمَن يُرِدِ اللَّهُ أَن يَهْدِيَهُ يَشْرَحْ صَدْرَهُ لِلْإِسْلَامِ وَمَن يُرِدْ أَن يُضِلَّهُ يَجْعَلْ صَدْرَهُ ضَيِّقًا حَرَجًا كَأَنَّمَا يَصَّعَّدُ فِي السَّمَاءِ كَذَلِكَ يَجْعَلُ اللَّهُ الرِّجْسَ عَلَى الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. So, whomsoever Allah wills to guide, He makes his heart wide open for Islam, and whomsoever He wills to let go astray, He makes his heart straight and constructed, and he feels embracing Islam as difficult, as if he were climbing to the sky. In this way, Allah lays abomination on those who do not believe. Sadaqallahul Azim.